In a city of shining towers and endless noise, where machines worked and humans dreamed, there was one little robot who dared to dream the impossible. His name was Bibbo, a small street cleaner bot designed to hum while he worked. Every day he rolled through the streets, sweeping away dust and forgotten memories. But sometimes his hum turned into something more, a melody cracked and broken yet full of soul. Every night as the city slept, Bibbo would look up at the giant holograms of famous singers. He didn't have lungs or a heart, but he had something close: hope. And hope, my friend, is louder than any machine. One night, while cleaning a quiet alley, Bibbo found an old microphone lying in the trash. Rusted, cracked, and forgotten just like him. He polished it carefully, repaired the wires, and whispered to himself, "Maybe this time someone will listen." He held the microphone close and began to sing. His voice trembled, soft and uncertain at first, but then it grew stronger, sweet and full of feeling. For the first time, the cold city lights seemed to flicker in rhythm with his song. The next morning, Bibbo gathered his courage and rolled into the city plaza. People were rushing to work, scrolling through their phones, lost in their own worlds. He stood at the center, lifted the microphone, and began to sing again. At first, a few people stopped. Heads turned. Cameras came out. But soon laughter filled the air. "A singing robot?" someone shouted. "That's ridiculous." Others joined in, mocking him, recording him for fun. Bibbo's light dimmed. His voice cracked. And as the laughter grew louder, he lowered the microphone and powered down, his dream fading with the sound of their amusement. But not everyone laughed. One little girl stood quietly in the crowd, holding her mother's hand. Her name was Maya. She didn't see a broken robot, she saw courage. When everyone left, she walked up, picked up his microphone and whispered, "You were beautiful." That night, Maya uploaded the video of Bibbo's performance online with the title, "The Robot Who Sings." While the city slept, the world began to wake up. By morning, millions had seen it. Millions had shared it. And suddenly Bibbo's voice, once ignored and ridiculed, was echoing across the globe. The next day people gathered again in the same plaza. This time not to laugh but to listen. The stage lights glowed softly as Bibbo rolled forward, his microphone repaired and shining. Maya stood beside him, smiling proudly. When the music began, Bibbo sang once more. His voice was clear, warm, and full of life. The crowd listened in silence, then erupted into cheers. Cameras flashed. Children waved. And for the first time the little robot who once cleaned the streets was seen. Truly seen. He didn't just find his song. He found a world willing to hear it. In that moment, everyone understood something simple and true. Even the smallest voice can touch the biggest hearts. So if this story touched yours, don't just scroll away. Like, share, and follow, so more people remember that no dream is too small, no voice too quiet, and no heart too mechanical to feel. Because sometimes even a machine can teach the world how to sing.